Han, Albert, today is the most awaiting day in our lives. After 5 years, 7 months, and 4 days of being together, we will now facing another chapter of our lives.
It must be love, because we are too afraid to say. It must be love.
I will continue to be your daily alarm clock dahil hindi ka nagigising sa sarili mong alarm. I will continue to be at your side through ups and downs.
Hold on to my hands, let's not waste this time, 'cause today is a great day for falling in love, 'cause today is a great day.
Han, Albert, I love you.
Falling in love. It must be hard to know that we'll never be the same. It must be hard to take this.
Alberto, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, sinitipan kita maging aking asawa, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at sigaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at katanging karugtong ng buhay, ngayon at kailanman.
Dear Han, Vanessa, gusto ko sanang malaman mo na sa loob ng 5 taon na tayo maging mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend, ay hindi nababawasan ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Maraming salamat at sana ay sa bagong yugto na ating buhay ay maging masaya at matagumpay ang ating pagsasama.
Love is in the air, love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air, love is in the air tonight. Here, under the bright lights, no one around, it's only you and me. Here, until the sunrise, I wanna stay with you and never leave. Slowing down, my heart's beating up. I know I must seem crazy. I look into your eyes, lighting up the night when you are with me. Love is in the air tonight. Love is everywhere tonight. Moving through my heart like the wind. I come alive as I breathe it in.
Vanessa, sa harap ng Diyos at ang kanyang sambayanan, tinitipan kita maging aking may bahay sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang aking ibigin at tinatanging karugtong ang aking buhay ngayon at magpakailanman.
Love is in the air tonight. Love is everywhere tonight. Moving through my heart like the wind. I come alive as I breathe it in. Love is in the air. Love is in the air tonight.
Dear Han, Vanessa, mahal na mahal